Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, I am not going to share with you the story of the next lesson, but what we are going to do from today onwards is I am going to give you the FA2 syllabus lessons question and answers. Some of the question and answers which you unable to find answers in your text, I am trying to give them. So take a book out and keep on writing those question and answers. I will be writing on the board. Okay, please copy this answer and try to prepare from this. So the syllabus, as you know, that the kings of Vijayanagara Empire and the Mughal Empire and the establishment of British Empire in India. These are the 3 units for our FA2 syllabus. So the question and answers of the kings of Vijayanagara I will give you. The question is why were the Amaranayakas very powerful? This is a question actually. Why were Amaranayakas very powerful? So the question is, please write down answer for this. Why were Amaranayakas are very powerful? I hope my handwriting is quite clear and the font is also legible. Can you able to understand? Now I will write down the answer. See, the first point, why were Amaranayakas very powerful mean, in Vijayanagara kingdom, most of the Amaranayakas were Telugu warriors. Local language उन लोगों को आती है. In Vijayanagara, most of Amaranayakas, if it is a mixed writing, try to understand it. It is Amaranayakas. Okay, most of Amaranayakas were Telugu warriors tha. Telugu warriors. And these Amaranayakas, they recruited their soldiers usually from among their own villages. Usually from among their own villages. Or kingsmen and trained them. This is the first reason why Amaranayakas were very powerful. Second reason is they had judicial powers also. They had judicial powers also. And third reason is these armies were loyal to the Nayakas rather than to the king. These armies were loyal to the Nayaka than to the king. Okay, because Nayaka recruited them, for that reason they were very loyal to the Nayaka. And many powerful Nayakas like Saluva Narasimha and who was called as Narasanayaka controlled vast area and in times could even challenge the Vijayanagara kings, and he became the king of Vijayanagara also. In fact, some of them were so powerful that when a king died, they took over power into their own hands and themselves they have become king. Like Saluva Narasimha Narasanayaka has become Saluva Narasimha Nayaka, Narasimha Raya. So this is how Amaranayakas became very powerful. And Amaranayakas were also given some villages and cities whose revenue they could collect and use. These all made Amaranayakas very powerful than the Nayakas. So this is the answer for this question, children. So shall we see the next question then? Shall we see the next question? The next question is, compare the Amaranayakas with the old chiefs of Kakatiyas. Were they different or similar in what way? So when we try to answer to this question, Amaranayakas were, I write down that answer also, please. Hope you have written this answer. Okay. So now I will write down the question compare the Amaranayaka with the old chief of Kakatiyas. Okay. Were they different or similar in what way? Were they different or similar in what way is the question. The answer for this is Amaranayakas were the captains of Vijayanagara. Amaranayakas were captains of Vijayanagara. Okay. And the old chiefs of Kakatiyas were called Nayakas. Chief of Kakatiyas are called Nayakas. They are Amaranayakas and these are Nayakas. What is similarity and what is different? In what way they are similar and in what way they are different? So the Amaranayakas of Vijayanagara time were very important in the administration. These both had to collect the revenue. That means taxes they have to collect from the villages allotted to them, and they had to maintain a stipulated army. What is similar with them is they both had to collect revenue from the villages allotted to them, and they have to maintain a stipulated army with them. But Amaranayaka had more powers than the Nayakas, and Amaranayakas recruited the soldiers from their own kingdom, and they used to train them, and they were more loyal to the to the Nayakas than to the kings. The Amaranayakas were nobles of the kings, means powerful family members, and the old chief of Kakatiya kingdom were not from powerful family, but they were loyal to the king and queen. They could be transformed, they can be transferred to any new place also at the will of the king. It was not so with the Amaranayakas. They cannot be transferred from one Amara to another Amara. This is how the Amaranayaka and the Nayankara system of Kakatiyas were similar and different. In next class, we will see some more question and answers, children. Thank you.